Hi, we've got a great new phono stage here from Chord Electronics, and we're with Steve Brothman with Chord Electronics out of the UK.
Yes, thank you.
And this looks pretty cool. Brand new phono stage is what, $1,500?
That's correct, Leon. This is a brand new phono stage from Chord Electronics. It's our second phono stage. We've been manufacturing a moving coil only phono stage for a number of years called the Symphonic. This one's called the Huei.
And it's a new price point too.
It is indeed a new price point. It's $14.95 retail, and we're quite excited about it.
With balanced outputs, which is kind of neat.
It does have balanced outputs. It has a number of features that lend itself to an incredible amount of versatility for either a moving magnet or moving coil cartridge user.
Yeah, you've got, on the front, you've got a switch between moving coil and moving magnet, it looks like. Then we've got a gain switch, which applies to both moving magnet and moving coil, so you can fine tune it for your cartridge.
That's right.
And the kind of cool part is you can do this on the fly.
You can.
And the color changes as you change the gain, and there's a chart that shows you what color corresponds to what gain, I believe.
That is correct.
Yep. And then the loading was super variable for moving coil cartridges.
That is right, Leon. You can change the loading from 30 ohms right up to 47K for your moving coil cartridges. The loading is of course fixed for moving magnet, but when you buy a moving coil cartridge, sometimes you get an accurate spec of what the loading should be, sometimes you don't. And this gives you the ability to start using your cartridge, listening to it, and actually change the loading on the fly as well to find out what sounds best with that cartridge in your system.
Yeah, and I found usually the manufacturer will give you a recommended point, but you can go up or down a notch, and you can fine tune it to your system, and it makes a big difference.
Absolutely true.
And I noticed we've also got a rumble filter.
We do. Occasionally, depending on what's going on in your system, the position of your turntable in the room and so on,
Right.
if rumbles is a problem for you in your
More
turntable
against
system.
acoustic feedback more so.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Exactly.
If you had huge speakers and your turntables right in between them, this might be a good thing to have.
A very useful feature.
Yes. And kind of neat package. So what's unique about the the Chord phono stage compared to some other, just the electronics that are in here compared to some other brands making phono stages?
Okay, well, I do have to mention the enclosure itself. It is machined out of a solid billet of aluminum to start with, so it gives
Like
it
the
great,
Qutest,
like the Qutest DAC, exactly. Gives it great isolation from any airborne electronic interference and so on. Then we employ Chord's unique power supply technology, which is a very high frequency switching power supply that was developed by Chord specifically for audio product usage. It gives us a lot of voltage and current available in a very small and efficient package, which helps explain the size of this product. Alongside that, Leon, we're employing a microprocessor technology to ensure that the loading and the gain settings are extremely accurate and are maintained no matter what cartridge you're using the phono stage with.
Sounds great. Can't wait to hear it. We've really always been impressed with the sound of Chord Electronics. They just bring that natural sound into your system. So we'll have a full review of this soon. Steve, thanks for all the tips and input on this. That was great.
Leon, thank you.
Thank you.